What do you say? Should I put it in?
Put it forward a little bit. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh. Neat. Yeah. Neutral. I got one. Okay. And neutral.
I'm in neutral.
Okay. You might want to go left a little bit. Head to the left.
Make a wide turn.
Yeah, stay to the left a little bit. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now straighten out. You stay like this course right here.
Don't be tripping now.
Down more all the way.
Where the black engine sticks out. Whew. I know how nervous you were the first time you did this.
It wasn't bad. You'll be surprised.
Well, now that I got used to
You
this.
might want to go to the right a little roundabout. To the right.
No. Now that I got used to the steering a little bit, it's not as scary.
You know,
But-
your back end's going to swing though. You need to go to the right a little bit.
Okay.
So you can go to the right and then go straight for a while. Go to the right. Is it neutral?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now go straight for a while. Yeah. Hold it. You might have to kick it in forward just for a second. Just for a second. Yeah.
Straight.
Wait a minute. Okay, back to neutral. Yeah, straighten it out. Don't turn yet. You know, start going to the left. Even though you're going to go right pretty soon, go to the left a little bit. Go to the left, just stay there.
I'm going.
You know.
I'm going.
Okay. Keep doing what you're doing. Stay this way. Okay, now go straight. Don't turn to the right yet.
I don't even know what my straight thing is.
Start to turn to the right a little bit.
Oh, too fast, too
No,
soon.
no, this is perfect. If this went in there like that, it'd be the perfect.
Look at that.
No, don't turn yet, though, because it turns at the center, not at the front.
I just straighten it up a little bit.
Okay, start to turn a little bit. Start to turn. Turn now. Turn now. Yep.
More?
Yep. Yep.
You stay here, you might have to take over if I mess up.
Oh, you can mess up.
Should I be turning now?
Hard to the right, he said. Now go straight. Go straight forward. Go this
Straight?
way. Forward now. Yeah, this way. Yeah.
Yeah,
You're doing good. That's all right. Now to the left a little. To the left. To the left now. Yep. Just keep it like this. To the left. Yep. Keep it there.
to the right a little. To the right.
A little bit to the right now. More to the right, all the way.
I'm all the way to the right.
Only in front and back. See,
Okay, I'm at neutral. Now what, love?
You'll be using the back cleat for that.
Okay, now
To
what?
the left, to the left.
Should I shut it off? Oh, I can't shut it off.
On neutral, right, Robin?
Yep.
I know, I need.
Whew, that was scary but fun.
Yeah.